In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of PNG images in Figma. We'll walk through two clear approaches: a built-in masking technique and a quick plugin method. Both are non-destructive, so you can experiment freely and revert anytime. Let's start with masking. Begin by placing your PNG image on the canvas. This works best with PNGs that have transparent backgrounds because we'll be tinting only the visible parts of the image. Next, draw a rectangle or any shape you prefer directly over the PNG so it covers the image completely. With that rectangle selected, set its fill to the color you want to apply. Think of this shape as your color swatch, whatever color it is. That's what your PNG will take on. Now, select both the PNG and the rectangle together. Right? Click and choose Use as Mask. You've just created a mask group that uses the image to reveal the color beneath. To change the tint later, simply select the rectangle inside that masked group and adjust its fill to any color you like. If you don't see the color showing through as expected, check the layer order. The image should be at the top within the masked group, so the color rectangle can show through its transparent areas. This method is great for quick recolors while keeping the original image untouched. If you prefer an even faster route, use a plugin. Open the plugin menu by pressing Ctrl+/. Then search for Color Overlay. Install the Color Overlay plugin if you haven't already, and open it. With the plugin running, select your PNG image on the canvas. In the plugin panel, pick your desired overlay color. You can tune it to match brand guidelines or experiment until it looks right. When you are ready, click Colorize. The plugin applies a clean, even tint to your PNG while preserving transparency and detail, which is especially handy for logos, icons, and flat graphics. If you want to adjust the color afterward, just run the plugin again and choose a new hue. Both methods are simple, flexible, and reversible. Use masking when you want full control with native tools and quick color swaps inside your file. Use the Color Overlay plugin when you need a fast, consistent tint with minimal setup. That's it. Thanks for watching.